I have new face powder. I have new bronzer. Hey everyone, welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations, where you can do whatever you feel like with your makeup. Today, I am going to try the Covergirl Clean Fresh Healthy Look Press Powder. It's just a face powder on the artificial light today. And also Covergirl True Blend Skin Enhancer Bake Luminous Bronzer. So I'm gonna go try those two. I want to look for my jump rope. The other one I had, I can't find it. Now that my eyes, it's 5 months post eye surgery, I'm getting back into more cardio exercise. Couldn't find where I put my other one. So I went to get this and end up picking this powder up and this bronzer on. So I'm gonna try the powder and the bronzer so we can see what it looks like. You ready? Keep watching. The powder is 200 Rich is the shade name. The bronzer is 330 Sweet Espresso. So these two are going on my face right now. Powder swatch. This is the powder swatch. Pretty. And the bronzer swatch. Ooh. Very pretty. Two good choices. So far, it looked like I did two good choices. In the powder came a puff. I have lights on and the window is open. Puff, I'm using their puff. This is just face powder. I'm just pressing it into the skin. This thing makes a noise. I put a lot of powder on because once the oils start coming in, if I just put a little bit, it will be all gone. As you can see my lids? My face gets like that. Now I have an eco tool brush and I'm just going to brush everything off to smooth it up. I use the Eco tool to just buff away the excess. And let me know if you think this is my shade. It looks beautiful over here. This is Covergirl Clean Fresh Face Powder. It's a pressed face powder. Rich 200 is the shade name. And this is what it looks like. Tell me if you think I got a good match. It looks very, very nice here in person. It looks beautiful. So let me know what you think. Now it is time to try the bronzer. The bronzer is 330 Sweet Espresso. So let's try this together. Ooh, don't go too much if there's a lot of kick up. This has a lot of kick up in it. This has a lot of kick up in it, so just tap the brush. I was swirling and I get a lot of kick up. The other shade was deeper. There was a deeper shade there, but I knew it would be too much for me because it was really, really rich. So I wanted to try this one. And you know, it has a shimmer in it too. So let us see. Can you see it? Can you see? I have it here. I don't have any here. I can see it right here. I forgot that it has the shimmer in it already. So I always go too much. I'm just tapping my brush. Swirling it gives me a lot of kick up. It's not that much, but it is the right tone. This one is the right undertone and the right shade. The other one would have been way, 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 way too deep. Wow, this is pretty. This one I can only use it on my cheeks. I can't use it on my forehead because that'll be too much brightness. But I have it on. Ooh, I'm loving it. I am loving it. I like it. Take a look at this. The apples of my cheeks are looking beautiful. Here you got it. I picked up the Covergirl True Blend Skin Enhancer Bronzer in 330 Sweet Espresso. Take a look. This is beautiful. I was tempted to get the blush, but I was like, let me try this first. Gorgeous. And the Covergirl Clean Fresh Pressed Powder 200 Rich. You can look on my forehead, look on my chin. That's what I have all over. These two products. The powder was $8.94 and the bronzer was $9.97. Affordable makeup. Inexpensive makeup. And it looks good. It looks good. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate you kindly. Leave me a comment, hype this video, and if you like my video or you just like seeing me smile, subscribe. Today's I am is I am capable of making smart decisions. I am capable of making smart decisions. I will see you shortly. Bye. Popping.